How to back up and restore programs, applications, and files on a Mac computer or Apple computer. This video shows how to do a poor man's backup. How to use the free application that comes with every Mac computer called Time Machine to back up and restore all programs, all applications, the desktop, files, and folders. However, to use Time Machine you need an external hard drive. There are many benefits to the Apple or Macintosh application called Time Machine. Under System Preferences, Time Machine is the icon that looks like a green clock moving backward. However, before I show you how to use Time Machine, let me tell you about some of its benefits. You can use Time Machine to back up everything. All files and all applications or programs, all passwords, all contact information, and the payment method information on your Macintosh or Apple computer. Therefore, if you buy a new computer, then you can use Time Machine to transfer all files, passwords, applications or programs, and all contact information to the new computer. You can use Time Machine to restore the desktop, all folders and files, any application, any single file, or any single folder to an earlier version. For example, as you see here, I select a file, and I go to the top, and on the menu bar, I click the Time Machine icon. And then, scroll down and click the command called Enter Time Machine. Now all the earlier versions of the file will show, and all I have to do is select one of these versions, and then click Restore at the bottom. Or I can go directly into the external hard drive where all the backups are stored and select the version I wish to work with. Time Machine will not delete any of the older versions or any backups unless you tell it to do so, or are scheduled to delete the old version. The downside to Time Machine is that it takes a lot of hard drive space. However, this will depend on what you tell it to back up. So, it is best to use an external hard drive. I am not recommending any particular hard drive, this is just the brand I use. Poor man's backup. Let's go into the application window and select an application or program to back up. Every time there is an update to any program or application, I back up the old version before I install the update. Now right mouse click to open a menu, and scroll down to the fifth control called Compress. The computer will make a zip copy of the application or program. As you see here, I did this 4 times with a program called Final Cut Pro. If I do not like the update, I just delete it or move it to the trash folder, and by unzipping the older version, we'll reinstall the older version. Time Machine. When you use Time Machine to back up your computer, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. The first thing I suggest is not to click on the left side where it says Backup Automatically. Every hour backup automatically will back up everything you tell it to back up. Therefore, if you use this option before you set the controls, you will find that in a day, all the space on your hard drive will be gone. On the bottom, check the box that says Show Time Machine in the menu bar. This is good because it will provide 2 controls. As you see here, it provides the control called Backup Now, which allows you to do quick backups. Plus, it provides the command called Enter Time Machine, which allows you to access earlier versions of the file, folder, desktop, application, and programs. Now, let's go back to the Time Machine control window. At the top where it says Select Disk. This is the place where all the backups will be stored. As you see here, you have to use an external hard drive. You should also know that Time Machine will delete everything on the external hard drive, and format the external hard drive so that nothing else can be stored on this hard drive but the backups. This is why the hard drive is green with the Time Machine icon on it. Now, let's go to the bottom right side that says Options. This window tells Time Machine what not to back up. As you see here, I am telling Time Machine not to back up the external hard drives, the applications, the document folder, the movie folder and the music folder. This reduces the size of the backup to 74 gigabytes. However, when you first use Time Machine you should back up everything. All folders or windows, the desktop, all application and programs. However, do not back up any external hard drive. The plus and minus icon at the bottom allows you to add or take away items to be backed up. For example, if I select the document folder and then click the minus icon, then the document folder will be backed up. The backup size will increase from 74 gigabytes to 81 gigabytes. If I select the plus icon, and then select the document folder, and then at the bottom click the blue icon called exclude, then the document folder will not be backed up. Since I now have everything I want selected and clicked Save, I will now go to the menu bar at the top and select Backup Now. The backup is now complete. It provides a summary of the oldest backup, the latest backup, and when the next backup is scheduled.
Please click like, leave a comment, or subscribe. Thank you.